Hello everyone, welcome to D-Link CCTV tutorials. In today's video, we're going to learn how to configure cloud recording on D-Link DVR. To begin with the setup, right click on the monitor, go to main menu, click on net storage, enable net storage. We will select Google Drive here, click on bind option. Once you click on the bind option, we will get a binding link along with a verification code. You can also scan the QR code on your mobile to get a direct binding link, or you can do it manually on the laptop. So I'm going to use a laptop. So here I'll open the binding link, which is google.com/device. So here it's asking the binding code, which is here on the DVR. Then click on next. You have to add your Gmail account here. Then click on allow. Okay, so we have successfully added the Gmail account to the cloud. The same message you will get on your DVR. Once you get that message, click on logout. Now here we need to type a name. So we are creating a directory to your Google Drive. So I'm going to name it as backup. File length I'm setting as 512 MB, so it's gonna make a small clip of 512 MB. So upload type, you can select video and you can select normal or event. Normal means your normal video is gonna get recorded to your cloud. Event means your motion recording video gonna get recorded to the cloud. Then click on apply. If you want the same setting to be applied on the other cameras as well, then click on copy to. Select all the cameras and click on OK. So now the settings have been done. So this is how you configure the cloud recording on D-Link DVR. Thank you for watching the video.